Want to see the future of your kitchen? This AI refrigerator will change everything. Americans waste nearly 40% of their food. That's $1,500 per household annually thrown directly in the trash. A staggering environmental and financial disaster. This next-gen refrigerator uses advanced cameras and AI to identify every item inside, track freshness, and monitor expiration dates in real time. According to MIT food technology researchers, this system reduces household waste by up to 90%. The AI even suggests recipes based on what needs to be used first and automatically creates shopping lists. It connects to your preferred grocery delivery service and can order replacements exactly when needed. The most impressive feature? It learns your eating habits and adjusts recommendations to match your lifestyle. Which feature of this smart refrigerator would you want most in your home?